natural resources. This is something that's not very popular here in our area, so I don't really cover it as extensively as maybe other locations cover it. I kind of do it real briefly just to give you an idea of what is done. When we're discussing natural resources, we don't use depreciation, we use depletion. Because we're depleting the earth of its natural resources, natural resources are extracted from the environment and can only be replaced by an act of nature. It is reported on our books as the resource less the accumulated depletion for that resource. Very similar to the other assets we have a building, we'll depreciate it, and we'll offset it with accumulated depreciation. Same thing, but instead of the word depreciation, we're using the word depletion. We're going to have the asset on our books. We're going to use depletion expense each year and offset it on our books using accumulated depletion. Some examples of natural resources: oil, coal, gold, iron, timber, that type of stuff. Once again, we're going to deplete it using depletion expense, which is very similar to the units of production method that we learned when we were looking at the depreciation methods. It's the exact same formula, cost minus salvage value, but instead of total units of production, it's total units available times the current units that were extracted, the current years. Remember, this first part stays the same, and each year we'll just update the second number. The journal entries for natural resources will look like this. When we purchase the resource, we'll put it on our books as an asset, such as gold mine, iron mine, and we'll spend the cash in order to purchase it. Then when we do the depletion each year, it's the same as depreciation expense, but depletion expense, and we'll credit accumulated depletion for the amount. We'll use this formula to calculate the yearly depletion, which would go right here.